Okay, we got some assembly lube on them. Now we've got to bring them all round. So that one's a bit tight over there, it's just where it's up in the air. Just loosen off the rocker and that'll go in there. Let's get them all facing down properly. It's all okay. And there. Facing down. A bit like that one. That's in there. There we go. That's tight in there. Let's pull him round again. One's gone one way, one's gone the other. I don't know. Let's get it that way. There we go. It's where it's in there, that's all that is. Oh. Why that's that tight, I do not know. I haven't done anything with these heads. That's how they are. Already built as far as I know. Open that up a bit more. That's better. Right, that one's in. That one's in. He needs to be opened up a bit. More. A bit more. I'll put this out in a minute. There we go. And that one. Right. Now we've got all them, we will start number one. And we'll put them all down until there's no slack in them whatsoever. Start with number one. That's it. Oh, a little bit there. That's gone. Still moving. That's gone. Do that one a little bit more. Ooh, off a touch. Sorry. That's that one. Bit of a long process this way, but found it to be the better way. There we go. Back up for touch. There we go. That's it. Sorry, I don't know if you can see. What I should have done was put it round a bit, but I'll try and do that. A little bit longer on the first go, that's for sure, because we've got to get them all down to when they're not moving, no slack on them whatsoever. That one. There you go. Sorry about the chainsaw noise in the background. I've got all the doors closed. Just it's at the back of the lockup, ends up getting a bit noisy. I'm done. Let me spin you around a bit more if I can. There we go. That's a bit better. Do these ones. Done. There we go. Pull it off a bit. Go. And if I touch, just take the slack off, there we go. That one. That one. Okay, that's that one. Right, so now, I know you can't see this on camera, I am going to turn that a quarter of a turn. That's a quarter of a turn. Now we'll check them all again. That's that. Tight, 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 tight. That one's loose. Loosen up a bit. That one. That one's tight. Now onto these ones. He's loose. Bound to, because that was tight anyway, that one, if you remember. He's in, he's in, he's in, he's in, he's in, he's in. Loose. He's in, he's in. Now we'll do another quarter of a turn. Sorry. Haven't got the crank bolt because I can't find it. As you know, I'm only doing this build. I'm going to find bits as I'm going along. And one of them isn't the crank bolt. We'll do a 90 on that. Sorry, a quarter of a turn on that. Once I've got this going on here again. Sorry for the inconvenience. That's it. Sorry, I'm a little bit in the way some of the time, but we gotta pull it round. Right, that's another quarter. Do them all again. Okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. That one's coming down again. Right. Okay, okay. You're doing up. And doing up there. Okay, and goes doing up. Doing up. He's okay. Another quarter turn. Sorry, my head's in the way a little bit. Trying to get that dot to the top. See it? Okay, dots to the top. Do it again. It's a bit loose. Okay, 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 okay. Go around. Okay, okay, okay. A little touch on that one. Okay, okay, okay. Round again, another quarter of a turn. The dot, I've gone round. Sorry, the dot is at the top over here now. Right at the top, so we go another quarter turn. A quarter turn. Sorry about that. Do it again. Okay, 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 okay. A bit loose. Okay, 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 okay. It's a little bit loose there. Okay, another quarter of a turn. To the bottom, check them again. They're all okay, another quarter of a turn. It's the other quarter turn. Okay. Oh, a little bit loose. Done. Another quarter turn. We essentially want to do this till we get dots back to each other. Seems to be fine, which is good. Not good for my hands. Check them again there. A little bit loose on that one. Okay. And again. Yeah, we should be getting somewhere with our dots in a minute. Swing it around. Beautiful. Now we got, well, I can get it back. It was there the first time round. I should have realised that, but sorry. There it is. Another arrow. There's our little dot. So we're now back to top dead centre. Oh, let's get myself a new crank bolt. So that should be all them. Beautifully done. Great stuff. Right, now we can do the timing cover. We've done that. Thanks for watching. We do the timing cover, oil pan, inlet manifold, so I do that on another video. This one's been a little bit long, so on that, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, hit the like button, hit the bell for any notifications. Thank you very much. Okay, now we've got them all done up, we go 1/2 turn on every one of them. So that's there, 12 o'clock to 6 o'clock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and that's them all done. All the backlashes off of them, all sorted.